Today we talk about how can you disable followers notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on push notifications here. So you come to next step here, then you click here on push notifications. Click here on go to settings here, just click on it. So then you click here on notification categories. You come here to followers. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main followers notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.